Hello students, this is Shivam Mitra. Now we are going to continue our chapter Arithmetic Progression of class 11. So let us proceed with some more questions of AP. Suppose if we are trying to write a question such as a question have -3, -5, -7, -9 and so on. It is given to you to find the P15 or it is asked to you find the S15. Suppose the question is there -3, -5, -7, -9 and so on, and it is asked to you find the 15th term or find the sum of 15th term. Either it is asked to you find the 15th term or sum of 15th term. For that, what we need to find? Just we need to find the Tn term. The formula of Tn term is a plus n minus 1 into d. The formula is Tn term is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a implies first term, n implies number of terms, d implies common difference, therefore in our case -3, -5, -7, -9 dot. The first term a will be -3 and the n is unknown here, but it is asked to you that you have to calculate the 15th term. Means on the place of n we will use 15 and common difference. How you will find the common difference? For common difference we need to find a2 minus a1, or you can say an minus 1. Means from two consecutive terms we need to find common difference. From the successor we can find differentiate, or we can subtract predecessor. By that way you can find the d. Means a2 minus a1 you can say, or you can say an minus 1. Means suppose we are having n equal to 5, a5 minus 5 minus 1 4, a4, a5 minus a4. By this way you will find the common difference d. So in our case d equals to -5 minus 3. On solving we will find -5 minus plus 3 we will get -5 plus 3 will be -2. So common difference will be -2. To find the 15th term, we need to find P15 means a plus 15 minus 1 into d. For this P15 we will put the value of a in. The value of a will be a equals to -3 plus 15 minus 1 will be 14, and the value of d we have calculated -2, it's -2. Now solving P15 equals to -3 -2 into 14 -28 and -3, that you will get -30. So T15 equals to -30. We will find the result T15 as -30. Once again we will see, suppose we have a series -3, -5, -7, -9 dot, and it is asked to you have to find T15th term and S15. So for T15 we need Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. You have to find by this formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a stands for first term, n stands for number of terms, d stands for common difference. A equals to -3, this is the first term, so a equals to -3, n equals to 15 because it is asked to you, you have to find the 15th term, so n will be 15. So D implies that a2 minus a1 or an minus 1, and D equals to minus 5 minus 3, that will be minus 5 plus 3, and that is equal to minus 2. So for using the scale formula T15 a plus 15 minus 1 into D, we have T15 equals to minus 3 on the place of a plus 14 minus 2 on the place of D. We will use minus 2. We will get minus 2 into 14 minus 28, and minus 28 and minus 3, that will be T15 equals to minus 30. Similarly, we can find the value of S15 also. For S15, we will use the formula. Last time I have mentioned you the formula of Sn, so we will use it to just calculate S15. To find the sum, I have mentioned already two formulas such as Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L, and Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. We have mentioned the two formulas of Sn, so you will use it just to find Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L, or you can say Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L means that n will be same as we have mentioned number of terms. A minute, just excuse me. Okay. Now we will, and that will be known as number of terms, and a can be written as first term, and L stands for the last term, and in this formula we have n a, we have already mentioned, we have n already mentioned, D will be common difference. So we have seen in the above formula we have Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L. A stands for the first term, L stands for the last term, n stands for number of terms. We have n already available to you. S15 you need to find, means n equals to 15. We have a as minus 3 in the question, but we do not know about the last term. We do not have the last term L, so we can't use this formula Sn equals to n by 2 a plus L. So we'll go with this Sn equals to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into D. In this case we have n as number of terms, that will be 15. 2a we have minus 3, we can already easily calculate it, and n minus 1, and we have 15, and D we can find the formula with the, I have already mentioned to you D last time, a2 minus a1 you can say, or you can say an minus 1. By using this we will get D equals to minus 2. We have seen in the when we are calculating D and term, we have seen the whole procedure of calculating D. So D equals to, directly I can write as minus 2. So we will use the formula of Sn, this one, and in this formula we have Sn equals to n by 2, means 15 by 2. 2a, 2 into a means minus 3. You can mention here a equals to minus 3 and n equals to 15. D equals to minus 2, a equals to minus 3, n equal to 15. So Sn equals to 15 by 2, 2 into a means minus 3, plus n minus 1 means 15 minus 1 into D D, we can write D as minus 2. We have already seen. Now on calculating, we will find Sn equals to 15 by 2. 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 15 minus 1 14 and 14 to the 28 minus 28. We will get minus 28. 15 minus 1 14 and 14 to the 28 minus 28 you can have, and then Sn equals to 15 by 2 minus 6 and minus 28. Minus 6 and minus 28 you can have minus 34, and minus 34 can be simplified by 2. So Sn equals to 15 into minus 17, and on calculation you will get minus here, and 15 into 17 you can calculate very easily. 15 into 15 we know that 225, and 15 to the 30. So 225 plus 30 you can have 255 minus 255. So here is the sum of S 15 terms. 15 terms we have calculated 255. So once again we will see Sn equals to n by 2 a plus l, or Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. These are the two formulas used for calculation of Sn. Write it here. And we have the series minus 3, minus 15, minus 7, minus 9, dot 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 dot. We have to find T15, we have seen that, and we have to find S15. Now we are trying to calculate it. So by using this formula, we have a difficulty that we do not have the information about the L. So we do not know about the information about the L. We do not have last term, so we cannot use this formula. So we will go with this. Sn equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to Sn. And in this case, we have n as number of terms, a as the first term, L as the last term for the above formula, d as the common difference, and d can be calculated as a2 minus a1 equals to an minus 1. So d we have minus 2 means minus 5, minus plus 3 will happen. So minus 2 and a equals to minus 3. First term, d n equals to 15. It is asked to you have to find the 15th term. So n equals to 15. On putting all these things in our formula, this formula, we will find Sn equals to 15 by 2. 2 into a should have minus 3 plus 15 minus 1 into minus 2. 15 minus 1 we can say 14, and 14 into minus 2 minus 28 and minus 6. So minus 6 and plus minus 28 and minus 6 minus 34, and 15 by 2 minus 34 can be simplified. 2 into 17 times we get 34. So 15 into minus 17 minus can be taken as out. 15 into 17, that will be calculated as 255. I hope everything is clear to you. So if you have any query, you can just ask for it. Now next we will see some more questions, or I will just give you some of the questions. You can try it at your home, and when you have query in it, you can ask it. Now you will see questions. Suppose we have 21, 42, 63, 60, and then we can have 84, and so on. And it is asked to you find T17 and S17. You have to calculate both the terms. It is given to you 21, 42, 63, 84, dot 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 dot, and it is asked to you find D17 and S17. Similarly, we can have more questions. Suppose it is given the same question, I can write like this. We have minus 84, minus 63, minus 42, dot 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 dot, and it is asked to you find the T17 again I can say, and S17, and same time I can also ask find the which term will be the first negative term of the half sequence. Which term will be the first negative term of the half sequence? Which term will be the first negative term of the above series. You have to calculate by using the TL formula which term will be the first negative term of the above series. Similarly, we can have some more questions. Suppose we have another question: 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. The same way, the series can flow. For this series also, you need to think how we will find the T17 and how we will find the S17. Similarly, we can have many more questions. This is an important question. We will have some difficulty in it. We will discuss it next time. Next. Suppose we have the question as minus 15 minus 31 minus 15, and we can write down minus 31. Then we can have minus 15, then minus 31, and we can have 31. After 31 we can go 37 and 47. Minus 47. Next term we can have minus 47, minus 53, minus 63, minus 63, and so on. You need to find the T23 and S23 and verify the S23 by using both the summation formula, formulas for 23 times. Means you have to keep in mind first you have to find the 23rd term, and then you can go with both the formulas by using Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l, and the another one Sn equals to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. So in this case you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions as their homework, and we will discuss it next time. In our next lecture I will discuss the same all 4 questions, so you can try it and attempt so that we can have more clear concept for next time. Thank you.